Hello everybody, how are you? And welcome back to Project Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your home decor. Today's video is all about crochet toilet accessories. Don't skip this video, watch from start to end. You can get many things from this video. Crochet toilet accessories offer several benefits including decorative touch, adds a personal handmade element to your bathroom. Hygienic, crocheted toilet seat covers and lid cover provide a barrier against germs. Comfortable, crochet toilet seat cover can add cushioniness and warmth. Easy to clean, machine washable and dryable, making maintenance simple. Durable, long lasting and resistant to wear and tear. Customizable, choose colors, patterns and size to match your bathroom. Practical, crocheted toilet paper holder and disappears keep essentials within reach. Soft and gentle, crocheted items would not scratch for damaged surfaces. Moisture wicking, crocheted items can help absorb excess moisture. Eco-friendly, replace disposable products and reduce waste. Thoughtful gift perfect for housewarming, birthdays or holidays. Handmade love, each item is made with care and attention to detail. Sports small business, buy from independent crochet designer or maker. Develop skill making crochet toilet accessories improves your crochet skills. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful videos. We are always trying to show you something different, and we are the one who can provide you the best idea for your crocheting, and you are the one who can modify by yourself as yours and your family desired. Crochet toilet accessories bring a touch of warmth, comfort, and practicality to your bathroom, making it feel more welcome and inviting. With a happy ending, today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Thank you very much for watching this video.